back in here. Sorry, neighbors. I gotta let the car warm up a little longer before I can start to press on the gas a little more or anything like that. So basically what's wrong with this radar is I've had it up for about 4 days and it beeps, and I played with the settings. I've messed with the K band, KA bands, I've messed with the X band. I messed with a whole bunch of settings. I Googled some settings, watched some YouTube on some settings. I messed with the settings a bunch. I don't know if I still got it wrong. I mean, for Washington State, I looked up what bands they use and what to watch out for, what settings to look for. And no matter what the settings are, I couldn't get it to work. I kept having issues where it beeps randomly. You pass by certain stores and it just starts beep, 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 K-A, baby. Like, it just starts tripping out and stuff. It just starts beeping a whole bunch. And then other times there's nothing at all. Or like, for example, when I pull into my neighborhood, it beeps every time. When I leave my neighborhood, it starts beeping. When I enter my neighborhood, it starts beeping. But then when I'm out on the street driving and I'm by police or somebody's pulled over or there's an accident and there's police, it don't ever go off. And so maybe I just thought it was situational because maybe it is a radar detector. It only detects when they're using radar. But literally just a couple days ago on my way home from work, I passed multiple cops sitting on the side of the road watching for speeders, state troopers, right? And I couldn't get, it didn't beep at all. No, it just didn't beep. Nothing, not a single one. So it wouldn't have told me that the police were there. So y'all comment now if you guys think I just messed it up and I bought the wrong one, or I had the wrong settings, or I'm in the wrong state. I don't know. But this is like it's a Uniden R7. It's like, everyone talked about it. It was $550 plus tags. And it just hasn't been working. So yeah, I'm going to return it. I'm probably going to end up buying another one at some point, but for the time being, it's just not worth it for how much money it is. My car's a little more warm now, so I could let y'all hear the car. Oh, look, y'all, it's a Challenger Hemi. I don't really gotta park next to him. Gonna pull up right here though. Alright. Look at that. Try to take a quick picture for the thumbnail. Good enough. Alright, y'all, we about to head out. I do need to get a quick picture though, y'all. Everybody's all right over there. That's crazy too. My little brother got in an accident right there, that same spot. Oh no, it was down here by this Bigfoot. Never mind. It's close by though. Yeah, man, this rain and bad weather got people messing up. I don't know how to drive anymore. So my camera died, but I got my groceries, so we got like 1 or 2 more. We got a couple more stops to make, and then I'm gonna head home. Well, my camera died again or froze or something happened to it, so I lost a little bit of footage, but I'm home. I got my groceries, and yeah, that's all I got. I don't really do much, so that would be it for today's video, y'all. Thank y'all again for tuning in. If you want to see some more Charger POVs, tap into my other social media. I got more content and more frequent content on TikTok and Instagram. YouTube's a little bit harder, but I'm trying to be more consistent on here. I'll be starting to post some more reels as well. So yeah, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and you know what I'm saying, stay locked in.